Hey everybody, back at it again here. Well, the population really has increased since the last video. We even got a crowd from the RTR get together that came to check out the Skooliepalooza event, and a lot of them are pretty impressed with the community here. So let's take a look. We'll take a fly over the music camp here. It's where they hold the dance parties. And you have fire dancers and everything else. Anything you can imagine back in here. More room back in here to camp, but it's guaranteed to be a lot louder. The parties go on into the night, so. We turn back, you see up there, we'll get on the e-bike up there where the buses start and drive in, so you can get an idea of that. You can see here. What do you think of that? Quite a few people. Everybody's got their little camp circle set up, and kind of neat little individual tribes here. You see our circle there to the left. Pulling up, you've got motor coaches, you got Gilligs, you got Crowns, you got Thomas built, Bluebirds, you name it. A lot of beautiful rigs here, a lot of time and money and sweat and tears went into a lot of these rigs here. We're going to be taking a tour of a few of them too, so if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, like and share, and make sure you hit the notification button so when you know when I'm getting new videos out, because they're going to be coming more frequently now. You can see there's even a lot of vans out here. That was what I was talking about. A lot of vans came from the RTR get together, and some RVs did too as well. And to tell you what, spectacular sunsets almost every night. And I've got pictures of a couple of them at the end here, so stay tuned to the end. You'll see a couple pictures I'm pretty proud of. As you cruise back in, you kind of see pretty much focused on this one little peninsula here, but they have spread out from there. Met a lot of interesting people already, and made some new friends and connected with some old ones. It's been a really good time. I think we need to get on the e-bike though, so you can see a view from the ground, see what it looks like from the ground. So let's go do that. Well, this was where the majority of the camping starts out here. Let's go into camp here, kind of show you around. Give you a view from the ground this time. Hello. Now when you get up here, you either go right or left. If you go straight, you're going to go right down into a wash where you don't want to be. So we're going to go to the right here and show you the different camps. Camp to the left of the flags is our camp. This tends to be the more quiet section and the family section here. All different shapes and sizes of vehicles again, but primarily skoolies. We get another fork in the road here. We're going to go to the right. This is more of the family section. Good morning. How's it going? Hey. Morning.
1 o'clock.
All right. Guide tents. You name it. Airstreams. Got them all out here. All kinds of pups. Everybody's got a dog. And Sophie's made some friends. Just a great event, building community here. I'm sure a lot of you will see buses you recognize and know their YouTube channels. Take this other fork that we didn't take before and kind of show you what's up here. They're in all different stages of being built, from fully built to just starting, getting help from everybody. We'll turn around and head back to the party area. And this is the road that leads to the party area where they have a dance party at night. live music and a couple different bands that are playing here. There's a bus for sale. Even goats. Pretty good sized gathering here. What's going on, man?
Well, how about yourself?
Not too bad.